Everyone has batteries floating around in their junk drawer, and everybody wants a battery organizer, but we just don't do it. So I went ahead and made one. There's a bunch online. There's a bunch on Thingyverse, but I wanted ones for the batteries that we use the most. I don't typically use C or D cell batteries for anything, but we do use a bunch of the smaller, like the CR 2032s and then the 357s for things, and then of course AA's and AAA's and 9 volts. Now I printed this in the PLA material that I'm really not happy with, but again, it's a prototype. It did that. I had a little bit of uplift, but nothing major. Now I did 3 layers on the top, but you can still see where they didn't completely join. It just doesn't adhere well is the issue. Now there's room for 9 AA's and 8 AA's, as well as 6 of the 2032s and 5 of the 357s. Now I could have actually put another one there, but I didn't. That's just how it is. And then of course 2 9 volts. And there we go. So I'm going to reprint this now that I've proved out the design in a better material with more infill, and it's going to go in the junk drawer beside the other change caddy, and to really help unjunk things up. Now, this is not my first prototype. I actually printed another one and didn't really change the design. All the holes fit and everything except for the 9 volt. But let me show you what happened. Yeah. So just because the way it printed, it was a little narrow, so I turned these. But just look at this. And what happened was the print had somehow gotten just knocked or whatever, but it caused just some glaring evidence of how crappy this stuff is. I mean, look, it just never stuck. It never ever. I mean, I can take this out layer by layer, and it's the same thing with 2 solid layers that were stuck together. Just I really don't like this material, and I'm not going to say the name. I may put the name in the notes, and it's not because I'm afraid of a lawsuit. It's because I don't remember. But I will. I'll note it in the notes of this video what this material is and how much I dislike it. I have had the best of luck with Hatchbox PLA, with a couple of 3 different printers. It just works, and both their opaque stuff and their translucent stuff. I'm real happy with it. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link down there in the comments for the Hatchbox material that I use. But yeah, this is craptastic. So I changed this just a little bit, rotated them. I didn't have to change any of this, and then again, this is what we got. I thought just to kind of show the difference. So this is some of the orange translucent Hatchbox, and this is also the change caddy that's going to sit with this one. I'm going to print this out of the same material, but I mean, as you can see, of course, it's 3D printed on a commercial grade or a consumer grade printer, not a commercial grade printer. But look, I mean, there's no lifting. The bottom looks great. Now I did, of course, honeycomb this instead of rectilineal. But I mean, look at it. No issues, no pulls. I've had this and used this as a change caddy for 2 years maybe, and it looks great, works great. It'd work even better if my wife wouldn't keep stealing all the quarters and putting the pennies in. But functionally, this works better. Again, better material, I think. So. This design and build was kind of the final straw, so I broke down and I ordered enough PLA to last me for the next 6 months from Hatchbox. So expect some more designs and prints in the future.